The Minister of Health announces further restrictions to curb public gathering and combat the rising cases of COVID-19. Kimberly De Souza tells us more.
For the next 3 weeks, members of the public will no longer be allowed to dine in restaurants, bars, casinos, and cinemas. Minister of Health Terence Singh announced the measures in light of the increase in COVID-19 cases following the Easter weekend. Other measures include the reduced number of persons allowed to gather in public from 10 to 5 and the closure of all beaches, inclusive of those down the islands. He said party boats are also no longer allowed. These measures will take effect from midnight tonight, Wednesday. While religious gatherings are still allowed, he said members must stick with 50% capacity and leaders must ensure that the congregation wear masks. As it relates to the vaccines, Minister Singh thanked India for the 40,000 Covishield vaccines that were received on Tuesday night. In addition to the 33,600 vaccines received from COVAX, Minister Singh said the second phase of the vaccination rollout will begin on Saturday. In the first instance, essential workers will be vaccinated. These include parliamentarians and their spouses, and those workers who fall under the Ministry of National Security, such as those in the Defense Force, Fire Service, and Coast Guard. This is Kimberly De Souza for TTT News.
40,000 doses of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines from India have arrived in Trinidad and Tobago. Minister of Foreign and CARICOM Affairs and Minister of Health Terence Singh were on hand to receive the donation. These World Health Organization approved vaccines will be transferred to the Ministry of Health and added to the current stock of COVID-19 vaccines, which are being used to inoculate the population.